she was अच्छा गुड आपको मर्डर चावल तो 10 मिनट में होता है अभी ना आधा घंटा खाना खाएगा ब्रीथ Don't correct your posture if you have a harder stand like this. Tuck your pelvis in, tuck it in. Make your back as flat as possible. And welcome to your feet. Hit circle. push and down, push and down, and push yourself back to squat. Get your knees down on your all fours. Now one count. Okay, one kick. Once you will go down and you will push and come up to inverted V and down. Other side. Up, down, and push and down. Rest your knees down. Go back to squat. Touch your knees. Your all fours. One count. Kick, drop, lift. Now from here you will drop to scorpion. Scorpion drop. Okay? Scorpion se we will go to east leg forward. This leg is right next to your hands. Okay, hands will stretch. Lift yourself up and touch your heel. Ulta ulta. And back. To squat. Touch your knees down. Right leg. Kick. Drop. Lift. Scorpion drop. Please step forward, hamstring stretch, and heel touch. And back. Good job, Joel. Where's that? Go back to squat and stand up. Sip some water and take it from the top. Yeah. Okay. सामने रखती करो तभी मैडम मैंने तो आ गया एक्सेलरेशन शीशे में मैं आपको दिख रहा हूँ और मैं यहाँ से रुकी हूँ मैं इधर से मेरे नीचे रुकी हूँ हाँ ठीक है कोई बात नहीं wall. These leg forward. Hamstring stretch. Heel, touch. Go back to squat. Squat. And camel. Right hand leg. But engage your core. Go as much as your body allows you to go. Back and forward. Back and forward. Back. On your all fours. Right leg up. Drop. Lift. Scorpion. Hamstring. And heel touch. Come back to squat. And cat camel. Back. Forward. Engage your core. आप आगे आ सकते हो। नहीं, मतलब आप मैट के साथ आगे आ सकते हो। Go down. Left leg up. Drop. Lift. Now scorpion drop towards the mirror. Reach leg forward. Hamstring stretch. And heel touch. Come back to squat. Now from here, you will walk forward, get into plank. Right leg forward, and then get into lizard pose. Get your elbows down. Quickly get a deep stretch and come back up. And right leg up. Drop. Lift. Towards the wall. These leg forward. Hamstring stretch. And heel touch. Go back to squat. Wampus walk forward. Left leg forward. Lizard. Go down. Come up. Left leg up. Drop. Lift. Scorpion drop towards the middle. Back. Wrist leg forward. Hamstring stretch. And heel. And put up. And come back to squat. Now from here, we will get into Cossack squat. Okay? Bring your right leg out. Cossack. Sit. Bend. And left leg up. Drop. Left leg Nadia. Lift. Towards the wall. These leg forward. Hamstring stretch. And heel touch. Come back. favorite pistol squat. आगे जाओ. Come to the center of the mat. Pistol squat. And roll.
Give yourself some support if you are not able to roll by yourself. Support दिए जाओ. And bend your right knee inwards. ठीक है, figure 4 बनाना है. And roll up
So that you get here.
ऐसे रो में ब्रेक नहीं है क्या?
ब्रेक कर लिया अभी ऊपर जाके. ठीक है, पहुंच गए इधर. ड्रॉप. लेफ्ट लेग है, लेफ्ट लेग है गाइस, लेफ्ट लेग ऊपर है. एंड लिफ्ट. ड्रॉप टुवर्ड्स द मिरर. Please leg forward. Hamstring stretch. And heel touch. Come on, go back to squat. Left now is the right leg. Roll the squat.
figure 4 बनाओ. रेस्ट कर लो.
रेस्ट होगा नहीं.
And come up.
So that you land here. Right leg up. Chalo, drop. Lift. You know the drill. Let's go. Drop. Forward. Stretch. And touch. Up, down. Get back to squat. घूम जाता है, ये सब न्यूबीज है. चलो सीनियर्स को फॉलो करें.
We follow junior.
घूम जाओ गाइस. Now deep squatting off. Put your fingers under your toes. Forward fold. Squat. Forward fold. Inchworm and land into left leg up. Let's go. Okay, knee नीचे touch करो. Drop. Lift. Drop. Forward. Stretch. And touch. Back to squat. Fingers under your toes. Forward fold. Squat. Forward fold. Inchworm. Right leg up. Drop. चलो करो. Drop. Lift. Drop. Forward. Stretch. And touch. Squat. Now squat में है ना, we will go deeper. Your palms will go behind your feet. Yeah. Well,
बाप
ठीक है, यहाँ पे जाने का और ऊपर देखो. ये का. डबल चिन जाना है, जिसको ऊपर देखो. ऊपर वो हाथ रख के देखो. Now from here, मेरे को देखो. From here we will draw. From here we will drop the seal. ऊपर जाना है सीधा, ठीक है. पहले देख लो क्या करना है. So slowly you will roll into the shot. deep squat, get deeper. Look up and slowly push your weight behind and roll into ceiling.
फ्लैट फ्लैट फ्लैट. अब यहाँ पे भी आपको फिगर 4 बनाना है, so that you land into
Correct. Drop.
lift.
Drop. Leg forward. Stretch. And touch. Deep. Look up. Slowly drop.
Slowly लुढ़कना नहीं है. फिगर 4 बनाओ and come up.
Right leg up. Let's go. Drop.
Lift. Drop.
Forward. Stretch. And touch. Come back to deep squat. You एक लास्ट वाला है अभी. आगे की तरफ बैठो. From here, bring our legs out. Get into stop. अभी चले जाएंगे. Hands on your side. Turn. Reach. Turn. Reach. Turn. Reach. Turn. Reach. Cross your legs. Hold your toes. Roll. Switch. Come up. Turn on the mat. And left leg up. Drop. Lift. Drop. Leg forward. Stretch. And touch. Go down to deep squat and soft. Turn. Reach. Turn. Reach. Turn. Reach. Cross. Crab. Roll. Switch. Up. Put it on the mat. Hands on your side and right leg up. Drop. Lift. Drop. Leg forward. Stretch. And touch. Come back to deep squat. And with your elbows, push your knees out. Hold the position. Slowly bring it in and stand up. Sip some water. Take it from the top. Take it.
तरह से कुछ हो गया है.
your all fours. Right leg up. Drop. Lift. Drop. Leg forward. Hamstring stretch. Heel. Touch. Back to deep squat. One. Bring your right leg forward and reserve. Touch your knees down, elbows down. Now from here, left knee will keep touching the floor. Right leg will go up for donkey kick. Drop. Lift. Drop. Forward. Stretch. And touch. Back to your all fours. And squat. Lizard on the other side. Get up. Lizard. Touch your knees down. And lift. Kick. Drop. Lift. फिर क्या हो रहा है? Scorpion drop. हम लोग पहले ही चले गए. Leg forward. Stretch. And touch.
अब
Get into deep squat. अपना ही पैर टच करना है. Cross side. Bring your left leg out. Right leg out. नहीं पता इसको अंदर डाल के इसको अंदर डालो. वो बैक आएगा. Now put this knee down. Left knee down and get into your all fours. Right leg up down to feet. Kick. Drop. Lift. Drop. Go back.
बैटरी डाउन
Knees step forward. Stretch. And touch. And deep squat. Pistol squat. Right leg. Left leg. In. वापस रख के left leg. Put it back. Touch your left leg. Hold karo, and roll. Roll over. Figure 4. अभी है ना लेफ्ट लेग ऊपर आएगा. So drop and get into your all fours. Left leg in the air. हाँ. Drop. Lift. Drop. Leg forward. Stretch. And touch. And get back to deep squat. Now fingers under your toes. Forward fold. And squat. Forward fold. Inchworm. On your all fours and right leg up. Drop. Lift. Drop. Leg forward. Hold. Hamstring stretch. Heel touch. Back to squat. Now go deeper. आगे आ जाओ. मैट के आगे आ जाओ. Deep down. Now slowly you push your weight behind and roll. clap clap. Figure 4 बनाओ and come on up and right leg up.
Yes.
Drop, lift, drop, leg forward, hamstring stretch, heel touch, and go back to squat. Sit, soft, turn and reach, turn and reach, turn and reach, turn and reach. Cross your legs, hold your toes, roll over, switch, up, forehead on the mat, get into your all fours. Final one. कौन सा leg by दिया?
Left.
Left. उठाओ. Lift. Drop. Lift. Drop. And leg
लगा
forward.
नहीं ना?
Hamstring stretch. Heel touch. And get back to deep squat. Face the mirror. And with your elbows, push your knees out. Push it out. And slowly sit down. Good job. Done with Pilates. Now we have challenge. Challenge के लिए दूसरा करेंगे आज. Do something better or have plank run. Flutter kicks, cat and crunch, floor thrusters, follow to arch to one. ठीक है? एक दिखा दो. 4 exercise. First one is flutter kicks. Lie down, hands up, close to your ears, and we will flutter. ठीक है? That is exercise number 1. Next one is tap and crunch. Tap, crunch. Next one is floor thruster. With push-ups. And last one is follow to arch to follow. Follow में रहना है, घूमना है, हाथ नीचे रखे बगैर. घूमना है वापस and lift. इधर पे lift है. Lift, इधर आगे गियर पर. बस. 40 seconds.
मैं थोड़ा खुद हाँ हाँ अभी हो जाए लगेगा
ठीक है? 40 seconds workout करना है.
सब
Get ready for flutter kicks. There should be no gap between the back and your mat. You have to push your core inside. Okay? 4, 3, 2, go. one tap and crunch. Like in tabletop position, crunch and tap. 4, 3, 2, go.
This pain here, it is normal.
Let it pain. Next, slow thruster with push-ups. अगर jump नहीं हो रहा तो slowly करो. Avoid the jump. Just walk forward, walk back. 4, 3, 2, go. Elbows bend करो. Bend your elbows. Bend करो. Elbows straight down.
Ladies are also getting better.
चलेगा. Do whatever you can.
But how is all happening?
First day ना.
Okay.
ये 3 साल से कर रही है.
अच्छा.
Next, arch to hollow, hollow to arch. ये हाथ नीचे लगे पड़ गए, आपको हिलना है. 4, 3, 2, go. तुम लोग सब साथ में एक डायरेक्शन में जाओगे तो अच्छा रहेगा. Thanks for joining us. See you again in the next class. Bye.